Welcome to Lit Life. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of Ways with Words. Ways with Words is a general English text prescribed by Calicut University for undergraduate students. The first chapter of Ways with Words is Sonnet 29 by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born in 1564 and passed away in 1616. He is regarded as the greatest writer in the English language. He was an English poet, playwright, and also an actor. He was born in Stratford upon Avon, which was a town in England. He is often called England's national poet and also Bard of Avon. Bard means poet. He was the third child of John Shakespeare and Mary Arden. He was probably educated at King Edward VI Grammar School, which was situated in Stratford. At the age of 18, he married Anne Hathaway, who was around 26 years old during the time. After the marriage and also having children, they all shifted to London. And there, Shakespeare began his career as an actor. And later, he became a very successful playwright and also the producer of plays. Works of Shakespeare. Shakespeare has written more than 30 plays, and he is mostly known for his plays. He has written tragedies, historical plays, and also comedies. Hamlet, Othello, King Lear, and Macbeth are the greatest tragedies of Shakespeare. And in all these tragedies, we can see the presence of a tragic hero. A tragic hero is the central character or the hero of the play who, because of some kind of flaw or weakness in his character, he meets his downfall, he meets his tragedy. So, this concept is present in most of his tragedies. Apart from the plays, Shakespeare has written around 154 sonnets, and all these works have the reputation of being among the greatest works in English language and in Western literature. Sonnets of Shakespeare. First of all, we will see what is a sonnet. A sonnet is a lyric poem. A lyric poem is a poem which expresses some kind of emotion. So, a sonnet is a lyric poem of 14 lines written in a single stanza. So, it will be in single stanza and it will have some 14 lines. And sonnets are of two types, Petrarchan sonnet and English sonnet or Shakespearean sonnet. Petrarchan sonnet is named after the Italian poet Petrarch, and its rhyme scheme is ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. The first 8 lines, that is ABBA, ABBA. First 8 lines are known as octave, and the final 6 lines, that is CDE, CDE. These 6 lines are known as sestet. So that is the rhyme scheme of Petrarchan sonnet, and the English sonnet has the rhyme scheme ABAB, CD, EF, and GG. So we have 3 quatrains here, that is ABAB is the first quatrain. A quatrain is nothing but a stanza with 4 lines. So ABAB is the first quatrain, CD is the second one, EF is the third quatrain, and finally we have a couplet. A couplet is a stanza with 2 lines. So this is the rhyme scheme of English sonnet, which is also known as Shakespearean sonnet. So Shakespeare used to write in this particular rhyme scheme, that's why we call it Shakespearean sonnet. So here are a few more information about Shakespearean sonnet. So in a Shakespearean sonnet, in the first 3 quatrains, that means in the first 12 lines, the poet establishes a theme or a problem. In the first 12 lines, the poet will establish a problem, and in the final 2 lines, that is the couplet, in the final 2 lines, he will resolve it. He will find a solution for the problem. The most famous sonnets of Shakespeare are Sonnet 18, Sonnet 116, and also Sonnet 73. All these sonnets are addressed either to a young man or a dark lady. So some of them are addressed to a young man and others are addressed to a dark lady. The major theme of Shakespearean sonnet are love, transience of life. Transience means something that is short living, live only for a short time. Transience of life, beauty, and also the workings of desire. So these are the major themes of Shakespearean sonnet.